The City of San Antonio Sidewalk Reconstruction Program addresses severely broken, damaged, or displaced panels within the existing sidewalk to restore usability. Our sidewalk reconstruction crews work to remove sidewalk tripping hazards near locations such as schools, bus routes, and residential areas. By choosing locations where sidewalks already exist and only need some repairs, more miles of accessible sidewalks are being made available. Sidewalk reconstruction crews work on projects Monday through Friday between 7 a.m. and 6 p.m. Don't worry if you have a mailbox that is along the path where reconstruction will occur. It will be removed and relocated for you. Landscaping and irrigation systems may also need to be removed. However, we will always do our best to restore the area to its original state. When preparations for sidewalk reconstruction in your neighborhood begin, notifications will be delivered to the homes within the construction area, alerting residents of the schedule for sidewalk reconstruction and any steps they should take to prepare for them. Soon after the notifications are delivered, you may notice crew members marking locations with spray paint, identifying tripping hazards. If your vehicles are parked near these marked areas, you will need to temporarily move them to a designated area provided to you before the sidewalk repairs begin. If you are unable to move your vehicles, they will be towed to the designated area to prevent construction delays. When the sidewalk reconstruction crew begins work, they will first cut out the marked panels and remove them. Next, a new sidewalk form will be constructed with new construction material. After the form is completed, the crew will begin to pour concrete. The concrete will take approximately 24 to 48 hours to dry. Once the concrete is dry, the forms will be removed and the area around the sidewalk will be backfilled with topsoil. In cases where the sidewalk panel is structurally sound and the tripping hazard is minor, crews will fix the existing panel by grinding it down to eliminate the hazard. Our goal is to improve mobility and connectivity by increasing the miles of accessible sidewalks throughout San Antonio.